Hello friends! Today I will show you how to make this little pumpkin coin holders. I love coin holders because you can clip it on your purse and it's just a nice little touch that you can give it away to people and nice little gift. So if you want to learn how to make this, I will show you. It's super fast and easy to make. I will use, for this case, I'm going to use a 4mm crochet hook, my scissor. I have this, I don't remember, I think it was the Peaches and Cream from Walmart, this cotton yarn. And I'm going to use it in this, like an orange and green. So let's start. I'll show you. We will start with a magic ring. It's super fast to make, and we're gonna do 8 single crochet around our magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to join them. Sun is getting a little strong here in my window. Hopefully you can see. Okay, so you connect that. Make sure you tighten it. Then we're gonna do 3 chain, and then we're gonna do around it. We're gonna increase with a double crochet in each chain. 2. Okay, so I'm gonna do all around. Okay, now that I completed my double crochet, when I join here, I will use my green yarn, and I'm gonna go through here, and I will do 20, chain 20, and then after I do 20, I will connect it, and I'm gonna make a loop here. 13, 14, 15. And then I will connect it, making a loop, and then I will cut my yarn. I will cut my other yarn also, the orange, and I will make sure that I will clean this up, and it'll look like this. Okay, so there's one piece. You can see how it's gonna look like. So this is my one piece, and I will repeat this exactly the same, and I will, instead of doing so I'll show you here. I will repeat the same. See, I have another one just like this with a magic ring, and then you do 8 single crochet and then increase in 1 with double crochet. And now here I will do chain 2, and then in the first chain here I will just slip stitch it. 1, 2 chain, slip stitch, and now I will connect it with the other piece. Okay, and I will gonna try to aim at leaving this and this, and that'll be my opening where I'm gonna insert my coin. So I'm gonna chain 2, okay, and then I would say 1, 2, 3, and I will join them together. Okay, like that. You see, I'm now 1, 2, and I will join them together. 1, 2, join them in the next stitch with a slip stitch. 1, 2, a slip stitch. 1, 2, all around, but remember to leave a little space for inserting your coin. I'm so glad to be back. I had a little injury on my arm and I could not crochet for a long time. Now I'm back. I'm feeling much better and I will start posting videos again as I'm able. So I thought for Thanksgiving and a lot of pumpkin around, I got a little inspired to make this little pumpkin coin holder. It's a nice little gift for people, maybe for trick or treat. You can include this in your candy box. Okay, so I'm almost done here and see my space. Let me make it a little more like that. My blinds also, I think it's a little not letting me see the light too well. Oh, too much sun. Okay, there. Okay, so now we're almost done, and instead of joining, I'm gonna do change two, and then I'm just gonna go to the front here, and then in this case, yeah, let's do chain two, and then I will join it in here, and I'm joining with the slip stitch. Okay, and take out there. Close it, and I like to go down here. I'm gonna hide the excess yarn, so you know how to hide that. You do that later. So now with my green yarn, I will go and make a tiny loop like this. You see, this is my big loop here that we already did, and now we're gonna do a smaller loop. And I don't know what you call this. It's like a spiral thing. And so around the same distance of the bigger loop, we're gonna insert our hook, and we're gonna make a single crochet here just to connect these, and go 5 chain 3. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna connect it with a slip stitch on that same chain that I started, and making a little loopy. You see that? Okay, now I will do chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I will leave one chain, and I will do a single crochet in another single crochet in the same chain, and the next one I'm gonna do again 2 single crochet in one. That will create that little spiral thing, and 2 single crochet in one chain. 2. It's a little tricky, but you can do it. Let's see. 1, 2, and here I'm just gonna connect in the same chain, and look at that, I'm done. I just need to hide all this thing, and what I like to do is just make a knot in here. Make sure it's very tight, because you don't want it to get all loose. Get that tight in there, and sometimes I like to do another knot so that you won't unravel or anything, just to make it more secure. Yeah, more secure in there. And then just same thing with this. You want to make sure that it's all secure, so that when you give it to somebody, it'll last for a long time. It's a cute little gift. You can put a charm on it also, and you can include a quarter in it. Kids would love that. Everybody likes quarters, don't they? We all do. I love quarters. I go to Aldi's or go to Feed the Pets or something, and there we go. Look at that, it's all done. I don't think it take maybe 5 minutes to make. So there you have it. I sometimes like to include like a little plastic coin, just an encouragement, a Bible verse, or just put a quarter inside. And there you have it. So hope you like it. If you want to see more videos like this, I'm gonna be uploading now that I feel better. I'm gonna be uploading more videos like this. And thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you everybody, and I hope you have a blessed day. Goodbye.